How to see all games you have played on Roblox Mobile. For that, first of all, you have to open up Roblox application in your mobile device and make sure to log into your account. So here in Roblox, unfortunately, the Roblox does not provide a feature to view all the games that you have ever played. But the continue watching or recently played list can give you access to some of your gaming history. So in order to find the continue watching section, once you're on your home page, if you keep on scrolling, you will find a section as a continue. So from there you can choose a game that you were playing previously if you want to continue the game. So that's the way to access some of your gaming history. And the other workarounds to track all the played games are the favorites feature. If you have a habit to favorite every games that you like or play, favorite games are saved in your profile under the favorite section and remain there unless you remove them. Now, in order to get to your favorites, if you have added all your games that you have played on Roblox to favorite, then you can tap on more at the bottom right, go to your profile, and under this profile you will see your favorites if you have added some of the game to your favorites. So that way some of the work around that will help you to track all the games that you have played in Roblox. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.